We are also following another high-profile trial in Georgia where 3 white men are charged with murder and other felonies in the death of Ahmaud Arbery. Gregory McMichael, Travis McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan have all pleaded not guilty. Their lawyers say they were acting in self-defense. Yesterday, jurors saw surveillance footage you're seeing here showing Arbery visiting a construction site. Then a moment that rocked the courtroom and the nation is talking about: a defense lawyer complaining about the presence of Reverend Al Sharpton.
Obviously, there's only so many pastors they can have. And if their pastor's Al Sharpton right now, that's fine, but then that's it. We don't want any more black pastors coming in here, or other Jesse Jackson, whoever was in here earlier this week, sitting with the victim's family, trying to influence a jury in this case.
Okay, you heard it right. The judge quickly shot the lawyer down, and we should mention Reverend Sharpton was invited to be there by the Arbery family. So let's bring in Alex Presha right now, who is live outside the courthouse for us in Brunswick, Georgia. Alex, I don't know, there's a lot to unpack here, but first, I guess, let's talk about how the judge reacted to that moment, and then where does this case stand as we go into day 6?
Well, Phil, also, if I may, Jesse Jackson hasn't been in the courtroom this week either.
Right.
But the judge immediately shot this down, basically saying that, look, he outlined rules of for the gallery there in the courtroom, and obviously there are COVID restrictions because we are in the middle of the pandemic. It's limited seating in there. But according to the rules that he laid out at the beginning of this trial, the Arbery family has been abiding by them to a T. And so essentially what's been happening, the Arbery family has been getting support from religious leaders and civil rights leaders throughout this week. We saw Reverend Al Sharpton earlier this week. Yesterday it was Reverend William Barber came down, also Attorney Crump, Attorney Lee Merritt has been here, and they will probably get more support as this trial goes on. But because of that limited seating, what's happening is that oftentimes one member of the Arbery family will step out of the court so that one of these religious leaders or one of these comforters, if you will, can come in and sit with Mother Wanda Cooper Jones or Father Marcus Arbery. And so the judge said that, look, they've been abiding by these rules. It wasn't until a day later that the defense, Kevin Goff, who you heard there in that soundbite, even recognized that Al Sharpton was in the gallery. He wasn't a disruption, which was what the judge had requested, and so therefore he's not going to do anything about it.
Okay, Alex Presha, thank you so much. We know you're going to be with us throughout the day, as always, covering the Arbery trial. And stay with us for live coverage of the Ahmaud Arbery murder trial beginning at 9 a.m. Eastern, right here on ABC News Live.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.